Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about skills. Skills. A lot of you guys want to be successful in social media marketing, affiliate marketing, real estate, and you're wondering why you haven't got the money yet. You remember the movie Jerry Maguire, Show Me the Money? Well, I'm going to show you guys the money, okay? Your skills equal the amount of money you make, okay? Let me say that again. Your skill set, okay? That's why I always encourage you guys to hire a coach and get courses, because when you build your skill set up, okay, meaning when you get better or you can do something at a high level, people pay you money. The reason why clients write me $1,000 checks and give me $1,000 credit card authorization forms to charge the credit cards is because I have skills, okay? Meaning I can take a small business owner, put them on Facebook, Google, Bing, Yahoo, what have you, and I can generate phone calls on behalf of that business owner, so therefore they pay me. So if you guys want to make money and be successful in social media marketing, it's all about the skills, baby. Okay, it's about the skills. So how do you develop skills? Like I stated before, you can hire a coach, someone that can lead you and show you what you need to do religiously to build your skill set up. Okay, now sometimes it may take 6 months, sometimes it might just take 90 days or 30 days. You're going to have to develop a skill set, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be successful in social media marketing, okay? Now, you don't have to be necessarily good at Facebook ads, but you got to be good at hiring a good outsourcer that can provide results for your client, okay? You got to develop skill set in order to get clients. The reason why a lot of times you guys don't have clients is your skill set is not par excellent yet, okay? Now, here's the good thing about getting clients, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I would say it could take you anywhere from 200 to 300 calls, okay, before you start to get good or you start to develop your skills when it comes to picking up the phone. Okay, it doesn't come overnight, and that's the sad reality why 98% of the people on the internet don't make money is they don't give their skills time to incubate or to develop. Okay, now it's the equivalent of you putting a cake in the oven and the instruction says that you have to bake this cake for a minimum of 25 to 30 minutes, and you say, you know what? After so long, you say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Now, I said 25 to 30, but at 20 minutes, you get impatient and you say, I want my birthday cake. And you pull it out the oven and it's undone. And you throw that cake in the garbage and you say, cake baking does not work. Ladies and gentlemen, cake baking does. You just didn't give it time to work. I'm here to tell you social media marketing works. It paid me 6 figures my first year because I developed skills. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been tricked into thinking that you can get something for nothing. You can't. You have to pay. Okay, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Okay, YouTube videos are perfect. Okay, I watch them, I use them, but I also go for the high power stuff where I reach in my pocket, grab a credit card, and I swipe it so that I can get more information so I can improve my skills. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you want to make 50 to 100 grand this year, what I want you to start to do is practice your skills. Okay, if you don't have any clients, that means your skills are bad. If you have a client and you're not getting them results, your skills are bad, meaning that either you, the one that's providing the Facebook ads, need to step your skills up, or you need to step your skill set up of hiring outsourcers, okay? And you may have to go through a few outsourcers. When I first got started, I wasn't doing all that. I was hiring outsourcers to do it for me, okay? And I stumbled upon some that wasn't good. But if you guys want to kind of learn my secret, okay, I show you guys my secret in the in the social media prospecting pro course, where I show you how to hire an outsourcer. But ladies and gentlemen, what this boils down to, your success. Let me say it again. Your success in Smma, affiliate marketing, Shopify, Amazon FBA, real estate, because I get all type of people watching this. And a lot of you guys are just struggling. And you're like, Maurice, I'm sick of being broke. What is the problem? What's going on? Your skill set, baby. You got to work on your skills. And it's going to take time. It's going to take time. Now, it's not going to take as long as it would take someone that's going to get a 4-year degree, or someone that's going to school to be a doctor or a nurse or what have you. Okay. The beautiful thing about social media marketing is that you can say, hey, you know what? I'm going to get the cold calling courses. I'm going to get the Facebook courses. I'm going to get everything I need to get my skill set up to a level that I can start earning 6 figures so that I can kick my job out of here. Okay. Now, a lot of people right now don't have a job. They're filing for unemployment and stuff like that because the economy has took a downward spiral down because we're dealing with a pandemic. Okay. And it's serious stuff. But let me say something. Okay. As I looked at some of my clients and I looked at my recurring payments today. Okay. It's a pandemic, but yet I still was able to make thousands of dollars today just in my reoccurring because I have skills. My income didn't go down, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because I have skills. I'm providing services for clients even right now in the midst of a pandemic. Okay, I'm not worried about income, okay, because I have enough income right now to take care of me for a very, very, very long time because I have skills. And if you guys, okay, want to step your game up and understand that time waits for no one, okay, you have to seize the moment because as they say, you know, I remember the movie Forrest Gump, life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. And I'm just here to tell you that that statement is kind of true. Life is kind of like a box of chocolates. You don't know what's going to happen. And I'm here to tell you guys right now, you have to take advantage of the time that you have right now. Don't take this time to just burn on TV, Netflix, and all this other stuff. Take this time to get the courses. Don't waste your money on clothes and all this other stuff, okay? Most people spend more money on the outside of their bodies than on the inside, meaning their mindset, okay? Most people spend thousands of dollars on the exterior, but they don't spend anything on the inner man, okay? And the inner man determines the outcome of the progression of the outer man. And that's why I'm telling you, you can buy all the courses and you can do all this stuff out here on the exterior. But until you develop a skill set, okay, meaning that you work at it repetitiously, okay, you build momentum, okay, you don't do it one day because it's like this, ladies and gentlemen. If you pick up the phone for one day and then you pick it up for another, you're not going to be able to develop skills, okay. That's why when people go to school, they go to school for a long period of time so that they can develop and grow, because growth or skill set takes time, okay? And if you're not willing to give it time, okay? A lot of you guys want a microwave dinner. You want a TV dinner. Now, if you get a TV dinner, that means that people are not going to be able to pay you $1,000 a month or $2,000 or $5,000 a month, okay? They're only going to pay you what you're worth, okay? And social media marketing agencies make money. Those that have developed their skill to a high level, companies will pay you more than $1,000. They will pay you $10,000 or $20,000, depending on how much revenue you can produce, okay, for their company, okay, because you're more valuable. And that's what skill set does. It makes you more valuable, makes you more attractive to the marketplace, and people will pay you more money, okay? That's why people develop their skills and they invest thousands of dollars, like me, on coaches and courses. And a lot of you guys aren't willing to do that. So therefore, a lot of you guys don't have the money because you're not willing to pay the price to develop your skill set. Okay? So the more money you make, what I want you to think about is the more you got to invest in your skills to get better. That's what courses do. That's what trainings do. That's what implementation does. Okay? YouTube has some of the best training out there and some of the best people out there putting out high value content like me and a lot of other people. Okay? I won't even mention. You guys probably have seen them because I've seen them. I've watched them. I'm subscribed to them too. So everybody's doing their part. But the missing ingredient, ladies and gentlemen, is application. Okay? You have to apply what you watch, you read, and what you hear. Because without application, it's the equivalent of going to a buffet and not consuming any food. You just smelling it, it looks good, but you don't know what it tastes like. And that's what's going on in social media. People are watching the videos and they're seeing Maurice make money in cold calls. You know, they're seeing all the other people saying, oh, I just got another client. I just did this. And you guys are just watching all the videos. And I'm here to tell you today, we're in the midst of a pandemic and you had time. Today is your day. Apply this information and invest in yourself. Sharpen your skills up. Build a momentum. Work hard every day to get your skill set up to a degree that you start to make money. Get your skill sets up to the degree that you start to make that money. And because that's what it's all about. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this training has been of immense value to you. It's all about your skills, baby. You got to get your skill set up. That's the problem. If you don't have clients, okay, your clients aren't getting results, you don't know what to do, skill set. Okay? So if you guys like this video, make sure you thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you guys aren't a subscriber of the channel. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about this. And if you need help, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for coaching. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, where I show you guys how I went from 0 to 100K my first year as a newbie. Okay? See you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Get on them skills.